Hey guys, it is the January the 25th to the 31st, 2021 Gratitude Journal, and it says get your happy on. So with this week's, I want you to write down every good thing, everything that happened that you are grateful for. Only focus on the good. And I realize it's the end of the week and I'm just now getting the video up, and I'm sorry, it's been a busy week. I've only got 5 so far. I'm grateful for a whole lot more. But, I'm going to try to get 10 down. And then, I'm going to do my best, guys, to do it once a week. I promise I'm going to keep trying to do it once a week. But it's going to be like a weekly gratitude thing. So let's say we're going to make this the first week of January, first week of February, instead of the 25th to the 31st. Write down everything that made you happy, or made you smile, or made you laugh. If it was something on TV, if it was something somebody said in a chat, focus on only the good things and the happy things that happened to you this week, okay? So I'll see you at the end of the first week of February with another video, and it will be the first week of February happiness goals. So I'm going to put down here so I don't forget it. First week of February. And February is all about hearts and stuff, so if you guys are doing hearts this month, I want to see them. But do all your happy thoughts. Anything that makes you happy, write it down. And then sometimes when you're feeling low, feeling down, feeling blue, go back and get your book out. Read through that page and say, yeah, that was funny. Yeah, I had a good time with that. And forget all the sadness in the world today, okay? Alright, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. This is another shorty. Bye-bye.